Hey everyone.
Hey everybody.
Welcome to our new cooking show, kind of. We're going to be making our own recipes and also trying out some recipes online to see how they are. So this is going to be our first recipe. Me and Carolyn will be doing this every week on the weekend, and we'll try to throw some extra videos in too.
It's Carolyn and I, babe.
Oh well, that's true actually.
Yeah. So anywho, our first video we're gonna do is a chicken pot pie. You guys, if you know me, I don't really like to cook and be in the kitchen all day just like working and cooking all these long recipes. So I like it kind of simple, sweet, straight to the point, quick ingredients, throw together. And our first one is going to be chicken pot pie. It's 4 ingredients. I found this on Instagram, just a little reel, and I'm going to try to recreate it.
Pretty simple. Let's give it a go.
Okay, so here's those 4 ingredients. Get you a can of biscuits, get you some mixed vegetables. You can do canned or frozen. We decided to go with canned. Get you a can of cream of chicken soup and chicken. You can make your chicken. You could get a can of chicken. We decided to get rotisserie chicken, and we're going to shred it. And as always, you know, season it to your taste. I personally love the all-purpose seasoning. I use a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. We went ahead and shredded up the chicken. As you can see, because we're only making 5, we sort of reduced the recipe. We used half a chicken, decided to use just a half a cup of vegetables, and we are going to use half of the cream of chicken. Let's mix this together and see how it goes.
Now that our mix is ready, we just need to get these all in the pan ready to cook. So you can use some like spray stuff. We usually don't use that here. We just get some oil. You can use oil or butter as well, melted butter. And we just get those a little bit covered. We're gonna go.
What kind of oil you use?
Well, this is olive oil, but you could use olive oil, you could use avocado oil, you could use a few other types too, but this one was avocado. I prefer butter as well. Butter's a really good choice. So you're going to want to get these in there, but have the sides up nice, but push the bottom down. And we're just going to go ahead and get all 6 of them in here. I mean 5. Now we put these in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. Check on them at 20, and then we'll see how they look.
Okay, so as you heard them, 20 to 25 minutes, we decided to have a nice refreshing beverage while we wait.
We took them out of the oven at 22 minutes and they're looking great. So simple to make. We're going to let these cool for just about maybe 5 minutes so they're not burning hot, and then we'll go ahead and give them a try. Alright, we're ready to try it. Now we did have a little leftovers with that half a chicken, and you saw she put 1 extra scoop into of the soup in. We got a little container of leftovers. These are good to eat on their own, or we're going to save it and probably make some more later. Let's go ahead and get into this. I'm just going to cut it in half, and then we can each get a bite. Here, I'll give you a bite here.
Thank you. I like it.
I've made some other things before, and this is really good with your extra seasoning, and I think you threw something hot in here too.
Yeah, I like things spicy, so I threw in some crushed pepper. So if you like to spice it up a little, add a little crushed peppers to it.
Yeah, she added that. I could tell. But it's pretty good. Very easy, simple, and inexpensive meal for a few people. You can make 8 or more with this simple recipe, so give it a shot. We'll see y'all later.
Yeah. Not see you later right now, babe. I'm not even finished. But I was going to say, just let us know what you think in the comments if you try this recipe, and also give us your suggestions. Just remember, I like things short, not a lot of ingredients, and straight to the point. So please feel free to leave your comments and let us know what you think.
She's right. We need to get some ideas. Send them our way.
Are you done yet?
Oh my goodness. I'm done.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.